Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Hi, everybody. Hi. Thank you for tuning in to Read to Me, Miss Tracy. Thank you for coming here today. I'm super, super excited to be able to read another story to you. So without further ado, let's get started. I love this book. It's called The Steam Queens, and it's written by Breenae Washington. She's the author of the book, and it's illustrated by Felicia Whaley. An illustrator is someone who draws pictures, and the author is someone who writes the story and makes the book. Yeah, so they wrote this together. The Steam Queens. Let's learn about it. I read this on Facebook the other day, and it was a success, and the author, Breenae Washington, actually got on while we were doing the Facebook Live. How cool is that, right? Neat. Okay, here we go. Ready? Hi, I'm Ivy, and I've been crowned a Steam Queen. Oh, look at Ivy. Has her crown on, so that denotes that that's like the queen outfit. Yep, looking cute, girl. Okay, so let's find out what the Steam Queen is. STEAM stands for science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. See? Science, S is for science, T is for technology, E is engineering, and A is arts, and M is math. The subjects are cool and let you see your creativity and innovation to unlock treasures all around the world. It's not just for boys, it's also for girls. My first duty as queen is to get more girls excited about STEAM, S-T-A-M. Girls just like you. The best STEAM queens are unique. Some have curls, some have freckles, and some have braces on their teeth. Miss Tracy used to have braces. Some are tall, some are small, some are bold, and some are meek, but being different is what makes us great. It means we all have special ideas. Ideas so extraordinary, and when put together, they're unstoppable. It's called diversity. Our brains are powerful too, and we're not just pretty. I know that's right, girlfriend. It's very important for us girls to share how awesome we are. They're having a STEAM parade and celebrating. Look at her pom-poms. I can't imagine the world alone, and there is enough room for us, all of us, to share the throne. I need your help. And are you up for the challenge? Are you up for the challenge? Great, let's get started. Some girls think science, technology, arts, engineering, arts, and math concepts are too hard, but that's not true. We use STEAM in almost everything we already do. Let me show you how STEAM is used around the palace, her house. I have 5 lessons for you. We'll go through them together so you can earn your crown too. Check it out. S is for science. Science is all around us. It's for curious minds. It's for girls who ponder how a caterpillar turns into butterflies, or wonders why it's so blue when she looks up to the sky. There are all things science can teach you. We use science to care for the beautiful flowers in our garden. If we want the garden to grow, there are a few things you must know. Flowers are living things. They need sunlight, nutrients, and plenty of water. When we give them what they need, they give us oxygen to breathe. Taking a deep breath, blow it out. That's oxygen you just breathed in. Most plants have roots, stems, and leaves. Their roots soak up water from the rain, and they get energy from the sunlight. They receive light and water to help our flowers grow. And when combined just right, they also create a lovely rainbow. Red, let's see. Can you name all of the colors of the rainbow? That's right. Read them with me. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. A stellar scientist you are. T is for technology. Technology is for innovatives. We use or create inventions to make life easier. It's more than just the electronic devices you have. Inventors use science and technology to give us a simpler path. Sprinkle is my unicorn, and she's stuck on the other side of the palace. She usually crosses the bridge over the moat, but today the bridge broke. Dun, dun, dun! How can we quickly get Sprinkle back safely? A boat! Yeah, good idea. We can use a boat to cross the moat. That's a great idea, but we can make it better. If we add a sail to the boat, then we can reach Sprinkle faster. When the wind blows, the sail will catch it and push us across the water. Sprinkle is so happy to be rescued, and you are on your way to becoming a technology master. Very good, girls. And boys, too. STEAM is for girls and boys. E is for engineering. Engineering is for problem solvers, girls who like to find and design. They identify issues and create solutions. Engineers often use more than one STEAM concept to solve problems, including robotics. Wow! Meet Alpha. She is the palace robot. We use computers to speak to Alpha in a way she understands by giving specific instructions called algorithms. Can you say algorithms with me? Good job. And we can tell her commands, and it's called code. Yeah. Python, start robot, PY alpha. Oh, she's coding it in there. That's code for the computer. Hello, Ivy. Hello, Ivy. We can program Alpha to do a lot of things, like picking out the perfect outfit with matching earrings. There's a celebration to get ready for, and I don't want you to be late. While we finish the other STEAM lessons, Alpha will follow our algorithm to pick out your dress. You're sure to look great. Remove the pink. Oh, here we go. Sorry, I skipped this in. Alpha, locate the closet. Open the closet. Remove the pink dress with green polka dots. Exit closet. Locate the bed. Place dress on the bed. This logic helps us learn how the computer communicates. To code, we learn different programming languages. But this is one of the first building blocks. You're well on your way to becoming a coder who rocks. A is for arts. Arts are where you can let your imagination run wild with colors, creativity, and drawings. You can showcase your own personal style. Red, yellow, and blue are the only colors that cannot be made by mixing two other colors. They are called primary colors. Red, yellow, and blue make purple. Hooray! It can be done. Let's mix in a little white so that it's not so bright and sparkles just for fun. We have enough pretty purple lip gloss to give everyone. Making beautiful colors is the coolest. You're an expert mixologist. M is for math. Math is for the thinker who likes a challenge. It's for girls who are courageous. It can sometimes be scary, but we use it to make things that are delicious. In the kitchen, we use math all the time, counting, measuring, and cutting to make treats that taste divine. In this lesson, we'll make something almost every girl loves to eat, pizza. We have enough dough to make an 8-inch pizza that will be so nice. I'll need your help to make sure we make enough for everyone to get a slice. First, let's roll out the dough and make it into the shape of a circle. Then, we'll add the sauce and the cheese. Yummy. Next, we'll add all the toppings. We have pineapple and pepperoni. Let's count out 8 pineapple slices for half of the pizza and 4 pepperonis for the other half. Yeah, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Good counting. Bake it in the oven at a temperature of 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and we will have pizza in no time. Did you know that telling time is doing math too? Yeah, good job. So after Mom takes it out of the oven and it has had time to cool, then we can put our math skills to the test again. How can we cut the pizza in 8 slices so there's none left? Yay, you got it. I knew you could do it. Swoop, 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 swoop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 slices. Good job. Now you are on your way to being a mathematician from a simple lesson right in the kitchen. See, wasn't that hard? Hooray! We've made it through all 5 lessons and you did great. From each lesson, we collected things to help us celebrate. You've earned your crown. I now declare you a STEAM queen. Yeah, with this title, you may reign supreme, but remember, this honor comes with responsibility. Never be afraid to wear your crown or to fix the next girls who's maybe falling down. Your first duty as queen is to share these lessons with the hopes of getting every girl to scream. I love STEAM! Woohoo! Miss Tracy did some STEAM stuff. I did some artwork. Look, see what I did? Okay, and look, here's the author. And in the back of the book, you can make your own crown. Color it, decorate it, and then cut it out. How cool is that, right? STEAM Queens by Breenae, Washington. I got it at the I See Me bookstore in University City. There's their website, www.iseeme.com. Thank you very much, Breenae. That was an awesome book. I hope you guys enjoyed the story. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I have another book. Stay tuned for the next channel. The next book. It's time to say goodbye. I'll see you later, alligator. In a wild crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug. Blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon. Out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear. Wave goodbye, butterfly. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.